held its 27th Cable Congress exhibit with the theme of navigating a sustainable digital convergence. Partners and operators from cable television and telecommunication companies gathered during the 27th International Cable Congress and Exhibit at the Manila Hotel. Every year, the Federation of International Cable TV and Telecommunications Association of the Philippines organizes this event that aims to collaborate with partners and discuss integration of new technologies.
Before, cable internet is a luxury, but now it is already necessity.